United States President Donald Trump announced on Friday that a swift and lethal kinetic American military strike has killed Hector Rustenfort Guerrero Flores, the infamous leader of the Tren de Aragua gang. Trump posted an aerial video of the strike online, warning that the group no longer has a safe haven anywhere. Defense Secretary Pete Hegseth stated the operation took place earlier in the week at a compound in mineral-rich southeastern state of Bolivar. The group is designated by Washington as a terrorist organization responsible for extensive violence and trafficking across North America, South America, and Europe. The Venezuelan government confirmed its participation in the combined operation, which resulted in fatal clashes with criminal members.
The Polish army has welcomed the introduction of new F-35 fighter jets with an official ceremony in Lask on Friday. Poland signed a €4 billion contract in 2020 with the American company Lockheed Martin to acquire 32 F-35 fighter jets in the second largest arms deal in the country's history. 14 aircraft are scheduled to arrive in Poland by the end of this year, and all are scheduled to be delivered by 2029. They are one of the most widely used combat aircraft in NATO. The heroes of Top Gun Maverick and Iceman could only envy our pilots, Poland's Prime Minister Donald Tusk said during the ceremony. Polish President Karol Nawrocki stressed Poland is and will be stronger and safer in the coming years thanks to the F-35 aircraft. He also thanked the United States for sharing its technology and engineering achievements with Poland.
The moment Wall Street has been anticipating all year is finally here and with a bang, as SpaceX began trading publicly on the Nasdaq in what has by some margin become the largest initial public offering in the history of financial markets. The space exploration company opened its initial trading at $150, more than 10% above its IPO price of $135. But within just minutes of the IPO, shares were already quickly trading at close to $170. The company, led and controlled by the world's richest man, Elon Musk, made available $555.6 million worth of Class A shares, valuing the company at a staggering $1.78 trillion. Speaking at the launch of the successful IPO, Musk admitted that he wouldn't believe that a company founded in a warehouse in El Segundo in 2002 would reach these heights.
And let me tell you, if people had told me this was gonna happen, I was like, man, you must be smoking some really good crack. Because I think this company's gonna fail. I mean, I gave SpaceX less than a 10% chance of succeeding at all, to be clear.
SpaceX going public has enriched Musk some $200 billion overnight, pushing him into uncharted trillionaire territory, according to Forbes' valuation, at a net worth of $1.1 trillion. The company is expected to be fast-tracked into the Nasdaq 100 stock index, consisting of 100 of the largest and most actively traded non-financial companies listed on the New York-based exchange.
The opening matches of the FIFA World Cup brought historic results and massive celebrations for the host nations on Friday night. In Toronto, co-hosts Canada secured their first ever point on the global stage after fighting back in the second half to draw 1-1 against Bosnia and Herzegovina. Thousands of red-clad supporters created an electric atmosphere in the shadow of the city's iconic CN Tower, celebrating the historic goal wildly alongside Hollywood celebrities in the stands. Meanwhile, a small but enthusiastic contingent of Bosnian fans filled the venue with loud cheering after their team took an unexpected first-half lead. Further south, the world's biggest football tournament returned to the United States for the first time in 32 years with a dynamic 4-1 victory over Paraguay. A passionate, star-studded Los Angeles crowd of more than 70,000 filled SoFi Stadium to witness the team's largest ever lead in a World Cup match. Dozens of American celebrities and cultural icons turned out for the match, but US President Donald Trump did not show up.